Hi everybody, we're out here at the Dictator property and we're going to be carrying out a drone mag survey of the Dictator claim. We got some high equipment drones here. Have a look at this unit. No, obviously I'm just kidding. That's just for some fun video footage. Here's the team over here setting up with the big drone. The big drones, have a look at that. Maybe we won't disturb them just yet. It would be nice if that road was plowed, but the rest is plowed. We managed to get up here, no problem. So, look forward to what it's gonna look like. Hey guys, Milo here again. So I just went for a little bit of a drive, and I thought I'd take a little bit of time to talk about exactly why we're doing this drone survey, where we are, and what we hope to achieve with the drone survey. So, and I'll be flying my personal little toy drone to give you a little bit of a picture of what the property looks like and what we're facing right now. So here we are. There you can see the sign, Dictator Road. That's where the property gets its name from. It's from the historical Dictator mine, as well as the Morning mine. So our drone survey starts on the east, and we'll be working our way to the west. And when we start working our way to the west, looking to approximately 500 meters into the grid, we'll start hitting some of these old workings. So we have the Dictator and the Morning mine shaft that date back to early 1900s, as well as the Asa showings, which are bulldozer trenches that date back to the 80s. There's other showings that don't have any names. I've recently found, 3 weeks ago, found some quartz pits. Collected some samples. They're in the lab right now, so we don't have any information about those. And road cut quartz vein, roughly 40 centimeters wide, that was running, had one grab sample of that, was I think 9 grams to the ton gold and silver. But the biggest target that we want to fly over is the recently found boulder zone that was found in the springtime. That was another 500 meters to the north of the Morning showing. So during that find, we discovered several local semi-massive sulfide boulders, some of them fairly large, and the initial couple grab samples assayed 2 grams, up to 2 grams to the ton gold, and they were followed up with Terralogic and Eagle Plains. We sampled up to 5.8 grams to the ton gold in these boulders. So the airborne mag survey, we hope, will help identify the exact source of these boulders and hopefully give us some other information about maybe size, and we will follow up with that, maybe some trenching next year and drilling, hopefully. So it's all very exciting, and we hope to achieve what we came here to do. First 2 lines complete.